Hello, hola. We're in Dominican Republic, in the Cap Cana at Sanctuary Cap Cana. Come in. We're going to show you a premium partial ocean view junior suite. When you come in, this is only 3 months old, people. This is brand new building, and it's one up from the entry level building, and it's a good value. And it's beautiful appointed. So you come into a beautiful walk-in closet. You don't have to drag your stuff in. Boom, right here you get organized. Safe, hangers, umbrella, suitcase holder, slippers and robe. Very important because people like to wear slippers in a room just like me. You don't know what's going on. But this room is new. The floors are beautiful. The colors are really soothing and beachy. Really nice bathroom, well appointed. Rain shower head and a wand attachment as well. We have different products here than what we have in our castle suite area. Trying to get a read on what they are.
There's a little bench over there, and then you have some more hooks up here.
I like that. If you've been listening to me a long time, the hooks are big with me because you don't want like things on the floor. I mean, you never know, some kind of bug or who knows. I like to keep things up off the floor. Kind of a good rule of thumb. And they have, how many, what do you got? You got that closet over there for storage, 4 hooks in the bathroom, it's great. I love that. I think it's a missing little, some of the rooms we've been into, they've had hidden hooks where they come out, and hooks are great. Mini bar, it's nice. You got an espresso machine, and that's the water used for that, for the water, and then you got your mini bar. There's Pepsi products and Coke here on property. Presidente, there's Presidente Light. There's no liquor in the rooms. They'll just call room service to get you drinks. This room is located really close to the center of this property, so all the bars, restaurants in that whole area is very easy. It's a minute walk to the pools and everything. It's a great value if you have a honeymoon. It's a good room for a honeymoon where you don't have an unlimited budget, but you have a decent budget. If you have a lousy budget, you're not going to get in a place like this. These are a little bit better properties. Big, beautiful mirror, beautiful big bed, large TV, which everybody has now. It's not even, I feel weird even acting like it's a feature. Every room has large splash screen. Nice little living room area. The size of the room is really nice.
That's a sofa bed.
Yeah. So this room, you can sleep. It's adults only. I'm not even sure what it's a sofa bed. It's basically for couples. I guess if you want to bring your, I don't know. I gotta see what the. Call me and I'll find out if you have an adult child that you want to bring. We'll have to see what the occupancy of the room is. It might be 3.
It's an 18 and over property.
Yeah. So, but we're thinking about bringing our 18-year-old with us, but we didn't want to pull her out of college. And then this is a really nice. I mean, let's go out and see what you're paying for. The patio, balcony, veranda.
This amazing tub.
Yeah, it's a wonderful jetted tub with ambient lighting. Those lights will come on at night, and you know, we can special request most likely if you're gonna surprise your wife, and we can have some salts, maybe some pebbles put in there for you. I'm pretty sure that might be a charge, but we could do something like that. But maybe it won't be a charge. We'll see what we can do for you. That's the beach. So it's a partial ocean view, but actually you sit in that tub, you can see that ocean. So this is Sean, Amanda from KVS Travel. If you subscribe to me, you know my whole spiel about why you use us, because we're real travel agents. And let's go inside. I don't know, you might want to hear the waves. So you can hear the waves here, it's so quiet. So use KVS Travel. Sorry, I wanted my wife to sit down if she wants to, but subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give me a call, 610-334-1917. Email me at Sean at KVS Travel. untitled.com. Make sure you give me your phone number, because we don't, on our booking engine, we disabled that. You can't just go in there and book. We want to make sure you're personally handled by us, that we're getting everything you need and you're paying for, and that meets your situation and your occasion. You use us because you're going to get the room you book, or we're going to tell you about something you didn't know about that fits you better. You book online, you're on your own. You might think you're getting a better deal. Trust me, you're not. There's a good chance if you book online or direct with resorts that you could get downgraded. That's not going to happen with us. We make sure we follow up before you go to make sure they know our clients are coming and then take good care of you. This property has 1 buffet and 4 a la cartes. Plus they have this little, what's that called down there?
The Sanctuary Village.
Yeah, a little village, and most of those places are included too. Most. There's a couple that are extra charge because it's a separate entity. But there's a little taco truck that is included. That's really good. Don't sleep on that taco truck, because I'm not even a taco person. They're the burritos, right?
Yeah, the burritos.
The
you
beef
liked.
burrito was amazing.
They serve tacos, quesadillas, burritos.
And the margaritas, but now the margaritas aren't included. It's an extra charge, which I don't like that. I don't like when they do that little nickel and diming or something like that. The margaritas should go with it. I let them know how I feel. They probably don't like that, but I work for my clients. I don't work for them. And give us a call. We look forward to taking care of your honeymoon, any of your stuff. We specialize in Caribbean. We do a lot of all-inclusives, cruises, river cruises, Disney, Universal, and we do Hawaii, all Hawaii. We can put together a beautiful Hawaii vacation for you. All right, look forward to hearing from you. Sean KBS Travel. Thank you.